Hi, my name's Darren Pugh. I'm 37. I'm from Plymouth. I have a little boy and a wife. My interest in motorcycling started when I was a teenager. My dad had a motorbike. All my friends were into some form of racing, and I pretty much took on the two wheels as a hobby, and from there it's just progressed, and this is my two-wheel love that I have now. The accident happened approaching up to a junction where a 4x4 pulled out from the left-hand side and hit me directly parallel into my lower half of my body. The injuries I sustained from the accident were, at the time, a below-the-knee left amputation and a complete hip replacement, as well as various breaks in my tibia, fibula, my left wrist, a fractured right hip. Because of the infections and that kept on picking up through the leg, had various operations to try and wash the infections away, but the infections got that bad, it started to give me a proper bone infection, give me osteomyelitis, so I then took the choice to have a through knee amputation. Since then, all the problems and infections I had have completely disappeared and gone. My working life, it affected me by not being able to do the job there and then, pretty much stopped me right in my tracks. And making me off work for some time, for a couple of years, before I was able to get back to work, just as a part-time role in an office-based environment, just to get me into work. Quite a big strain really on my relationship with my wife. My wife having to pretty much give up work to try and help look after me and get me back onto my feet. And also things that we had planned, we had to put on hold and then rely and ask for help and advice from friends and family really around us. We then instructed Access Legal to help out with my bike insurance and the compensation I deserved from the accident. Working with Access Legal, the colleagues are so friendly and welcoming, very professional what they do. It made the whole process very easy and less stressful as possible to help me get through what was such a difficult time, not just for me, but my wife and my family. The settlement I received from my compensation claim has helped me considerably, not just to help purchase a bungalow, of which I really needed to try and help with my mobility, but to also enable me to buy private prosthetic legs, of which has made my life so much easier, and being able to do a few more things that I've been restricted to do otherwise. Plans of the future are to try and get back to work as soon as possible. I'm spending all my time during the week at the moment trying to get myself back to work with training courses, hopefully maybe completing the Plymouth Half Marathon next year, and to do a few charity events such as a parachute jump and maybe some cycling charity events as well. I would recommend Access Legal to anybody in similar or familiar situation. They've been seamless from start to finish. They've gone above and beyond all my expectations, and they help you achieve the outcome that you want.